I mean, one of those lessons that your mother was trying to lay down can be seen
in the Bible, 1000%.
With this. There's a...
Best story ever. Best story that I'm able to tell.
She put something in the Bible that's hanging out there, as you can see.
Checks, man. I couldn't pay my rent. I cannot pay my rent. I needed help. And she was like, well, I'm not helping you until you start reading the Bible. And I was like, Mom, I'm reading the Bible. I was lying. Just lying. I'm reading it. Come on, Mom, this is real. Mom, they're gonna kick me out. Are you reading your Bible? Yes. When you read your Bible, then talk to me. And she did this for like a while. And one day I was like, you know what, man? I was literally by myself. And I was like, what am I gonna do? I was like, let me get this Bible. Let's read the Bible. And I opened up the Bible. And like my checks, rent, like multiple months of rent checks had fell out. And I was like, you know what? It's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. And then I had to actually open the Bible and start reading the Bible. But that was her way of course, knowing that I'm lying, first of all, and B, giving me like one of the best lessons ever, you know? Somewhere along the lines, the gems that she dropped started to click, and the idea of not starting things that I'm not gonna finish, that's what really resonated with me the most. So like, I started a lot of stuff that I didn't complete in the younger years. That was me and my mom's battle. No, you're gonna finish it, and she would make me finish it. Now I wanna quit. No, you're gonna finish it. So I ended up doing a lot of things with an attitude, which is why I half-assed it. And as I got older, you realize, well, why are you putting time into something in the beginning that you don't wanna see through? Why? Or just because you have like a rough moment or a rough patch, why is it so easy for you to quit? Why is the idea of quit so quick to you to come up with, and why are you so comfortable with the results of that? I shouldn't be, and that shouldn't be my like motto. So we don't stop. If we start something, we see it the entire way through. At the end of it, even if you don't like it to the highest level, you know that you put your time, energy into something that you're at least proud that you did, proud that you were able to put a period on that sentence. And now you can start the next thing. But it's not until you complete something that you can honestly sit with yourself and go, that's what life is. That's called seeing things through the entire way.